Food Image Enhancer AI is the latest AI tool to hit the market, and today, I'll walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a food blogger, a restaurant owner, or just someone who loves sharing delicious meals online, this AI is a game changer. Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to share some unique insights that you won't find anywhere else. Right off the bat, let's talk about what makes this Food Image Enhancer AI stand out. Unlike typical image editing tools, this software specifically focuses on enhancing food photography. If you're tired of spending hours in Photoshop or using complex filters that just don't do justice to your food photos, this AI is the solution you've been looking for. It works by automatically analyzing your food images and enhancing colors, texture, and lighting to make the food pop. The magic happens in seconds, saving you tons of time, and the results are pretty incredible. You can say goodbye to dull and lifeless food shots, and hello to vibrant, mouth-watering images that look like they belong in a food magazine. One of the coolest features of this software is its ability to adjust the focus and depth of field. This means if you have a busy background in your food photo, the AI can blur it out while keeping the food crisp and in sharp focus. This mimics the effect you'd get with a professional camera, making your photos look way more polished and professional. Another huge selling point is the software's ability to upscale your images without losing quality. If you've ever tried to resize a food photo and it ended up pixelated and blurry, you know the frustration. But with the Food Image Enhancer AI, you can increase your image resolution and it still looks smooth and clear, perfect for social media or even print materials. And here's something that really sets it apart: customization. The AI doesn't just apply a generic filter. It uses machine learning to understand what type of food it's working with, whether it's sushi, a burger, or a bowl of pasta. Based on that, it adjusts the enhancements specifically for the textures and colors of that dish. That means the AI will enhance your photos to look realistic and appetizing rather than over-processed. But here's where it gets even better. The software offers an intuitive interface, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you can dive right in. No need for a steep learning curve or complicated settings. Just upload your photo and let the AI do the work. It's that easy. Now, if you're wondering about pricing, good news. You can try the Food Image Enhancer AI for free, and I've left the link in the description below. So go ahead and test it out and see if it's the right fit for your food photography needs. To wrap things up, I want to remind you that the Food Image Enhancer AI is a major upgrade for anyone involved in food content creation. Whether you're a marketer, a restaurant owner, or a food influencer, this tool is going to save you tons of time and effort while making your food images look stunning. If you want to explore more tools like this, I've also got a list of my top recommended AI software that I've personally tested and reviewed in the description below. These tools will help you take your digital marketing efforts and content creation to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to try out the Food Image Enhancer AI for free, and I'll see you in the next one.